Connect, convert, and grow your business with GoMobi. Your customers are looking for you on the mobile web, and with details as basic as your phone number and opening hours difficult to find on a standard site, you need a made-for-mobile website. You may not believe it, but you can have a mobile site in minutes using GoMobi. It's so fast and easy to create. All kinds of businesses can have great mobile sites enabled by GoMobi. Let's see how GoMobi could generate new business for a real estate company. Here's what a GoMobi site looks like. It's clean, it's easy to navigate, and now I'm going to show you just how simple it is to set up. In less than 5 minutes, you will have a mobile-friendly site. With the easy-to-use GoMobi Setup Assistant, your site will contain all the information to engage customers on the go. In many cases, the GoMobi Setup Assistant will have already populated your logo, phone number, and address before you even start. The description panel is where you enter your company name and also a simple introduction to your business. You can also select the background color for your GoMobi site. If you don't already see your logo on the screen, in the Logo tab, simply upload it from a file on your computer. It's so easy. With a few simple tasks, you will have a great site. Now, let's add some extra engaging features. There are lots of cool features you can add to your GoMobi site. You can change the phone number on your GoMobi site to the optimum number you need, like your mobile phone. Your customers might want to visit your office. Make sure you enter your address so that your company can be found with our Google Map function. Making you accessible for new business opportunities. Customers will get directions from their current location direct to your door. Did you know that opening hours are one of the top queries on Google and other search engines? Your opening hours can be easily inserted onto your GoMobi site. You can select your time zone and even amend your opening hours for individual days of the week. Customers interested in viewing a property or setting up a meeting can request a booking from your GoMobi site. It's so easy to set up. That's the convenience of having your business on the mobile web. Photos of key properties for sale can be viewed by adding a link to your online photo gallery. Customers can browse these on the go. What better way to engage with your prospective business? Missing client phone calls is not good for business. With GoMobi, you'll never miss a call again. Customers can request a call back, and all you need to do is enter an email address where you want to receive the customer's request. If you use Facebook and Twitter to promote your business online, you can include this on your GoMobi site too. GoMobi makes all these tasks easy and fast. Want to display some additional service information? Got a blog you want to link to? Legal information you need to feature? No problem. All of these features can be added with no technical knowledge required. With GoMobi, your customer gets the same essential information they'd get on your website. There are helpful hints along the way. Just click on the blue help button to get tips. Now, we're finished. So, are you ready to GoMobi? With such an easy setup, you will have a fully functional GoMobi mobile site in just minutes. What are you waiting for? Connect, convert, and grow your business with GoMobi.